Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you how to make cheese at home. You can easily make this recipe under 10 to 15 minutes. So without wasting much time, let's get started. First of all, here I have taken full fat cream milk. Here I am using Amul Gold full cream milk. You can use full fat milk of any brand. Now, in a clean vessel, we are going to pour half liter of milk. Now we are going to keep this milk on medium to high flame, and meanwhile we have to check whether it has become hot or not. Now put your finger inside the milk to see whether it has become enough hot or not. Now, when the milk becomes too hot to put your finger inside, slowly start adding the lemon juice inside this hot milk. Always keep stirring while adding the lemon juice. Here I am using 2/3 of a lemon. You can adjust the lemon juice quantity according to the quantity of your milk you are using. Always keep stirring while adding the lemon juice. At this stage, the gas should be from medium to low flame. While I am doing this task, you can check out my other recipes. The links are given in the description box below. Friends, here you can see that the cheese is slowly getting separated from the milk. See, the cheese has formed a lump. Now it's time for us to separate the cheese from this excess water. Now, in a clean glass bowl, I have separated the cheese from the water. Now, we will squeeze out the cheese with the help of a cheesecloth. Here I have taken a plain white sheet of cheesecloth and I will slowly squeeze out the cheese lump to drain out all the excess water inside it. Be careful because the water is really very hot. Slowly we are going to squeeze out all the excess water from this cheese. Now friends, as you can see, the water is completely drained out. Now we will slowly press this cheese ball in our palms, and then we will dip this cheese ball in hot water for 5 minutes. Here I have taken hot boiling water, and now we will dip this cheese ball in this hot boiling water and let it sit for 5 minutes. Now we will roll the cheese ball very gently inside this hot water. Be extra careful, otherwise the cheese ball will break out. Now friends, after 5 minutes you can see I have taken out the cheese ball from this hot water. Now we will squeeze out the hot water from the cheese. Please friends, be extra careful while performing this task, otherwise you will end up in burning out your fingers and palms. Now friends, as you can see, cheese is almost becoming ready, but we need to roll it inside our palms and rub it like a dough ball till it becomes extra soft and spongy. You have to continue doing this task for at least 5 to 10 minutes. You can see friends, after 5 minutes our cheese ball is absolutely ready. But as we all know, cheese is slightly salty in taste. So we are going to add a pinch of salt and sizzle it. See how soft it has become? Now I am adding a little bit of salt from all the sides of the cheese, and then we are going to roll it with salt. After that, we are going to keep it in the freezer for 10 minutes. See friends, after 10 minutes, How solid the cheese has become. It has perfectly set. You can store this in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days and use it in your cooking. See, I have grated some cheese to show you. Please friends, if you like my recipes, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get every latest updates about my channel. Thank you.